In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your GoDaddy website. Whether you're looking to streamline your appointment scheduling or just seeking to enhance customer convenience, this integration is a fantastic tool to consider. Let's get started, and we'll have it set up in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to log into your Calendly account. Once you're in, head over to the scheduling page. This is where you can see all your event types. Next, identify the event type you want to embed on your website. Beside your chosen event type, you'll find a button, usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Click on it and select the option that says Add to Website. Once this is done, you'll be presented with choices on how you'd like to embed the event. You can opt for an inline embed if you want it displayed directly within your page. Alternatively, a pop-up widget or pop-up text might be more suitable if you prefer the event to appear in a separate window when clicked. Choose the option that best fits your website's style and user experience. After selecting your preferred embed type, you have the opportunity to customize the settings. Here, you can decide whether to hide certain details or change the color scheme to match your website's design. Once everything looks good to you, go ahead and click Copy Code. This is the snippet you'll need to embed Calendly on your GoDaddy site. Now, let's switch over to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser and search for GoDaddy, then log in using your credentials. If you prefer, you can also use your Facebook or Google account to sign in. Once you're logged in, navigate to Websites Plus Marketing, where you'll find your website. Click on Manage to proceed. You'll find yourself in the GoDaddy Website Builder Editor. To start editing, click on the Edit button. Next, navigate to the page where you intend to add the Calendly integration. This might be your contact page or wherever visitors typically book appointments. Once on the correct page, add a new section and look for an option labeled Embed, HTML, or Custom Code. In this designated area, paste the code you copied from Calendly. Depending on where you're embedding it, you might need to adjust the size and position of the Calendly widget to fit seamlessly into your page. It's a good idea to take a moment here to make sure it looks exactly how you want it. Finally, make sure to save your changes. Don't forget to use the preview function. This allows you to see how the integration looks and works before going live. If everything appears as expected, select Publish to make the changes visible to all visitors on your website. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Calendly into your GoDaddy website, making scheduling with you a breeze for your visitors.